Hey guys, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Dutch fishtail braid. Start off by taking a section of hair from the top of the head and dividing it into two. To avoid any weird part lines, I just like to take my two sections and cross them before starting the braid. Take a small section of hair from the outside of the left piece and cross it under and add it into the inside of the right piece. Then take a small section of hair from the outside of the right piece and cross it under and add it into the inside of the left piece. Then you're going to repeat that again, so take a small section from the outside of the left piece, but this time we're going to add in a small new section of hair. And then take those two sections and cross them both underneath and into the inside of the right piece. And again, repeat with the right, so take a small section, add in a new small section of hair, and then cross them both under and into the inside of the left piece. And then just repeat those steps all the way down to create a Dutch fishtail. So I'll say it one more time, take a small piece from the left, add in a small new section of hair, and cross them both under and into the inside of the right piece. Then take a small section from the right, add in a small new section of hair, and cross them both under and into the inside of the left piece. Once you run out of new hair to add in, you just want to continue a regular fishtail all the way down, so taking one piece from one side and crossing it under to the other. Every so often, I like to go back and carefully pull on the edges of my fishtail to give it some more volume. If the braid starts to get too long, you can carefully pull it over to one side and continue there. At the end of the hair, secure the braid with a clear baby elastic. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this hairstyle, make sure to tag me in your photos at Braids by Jordan on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!